Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to change or disable two-side default printing option in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to our video, if you not subscribe to this channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, I go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Here we find printers and scanner, and here we find printer list. Here is our printer list, install printer list. Click on the printer that you want to change a two-side default printing options. I want to change on this side. Click on any printer that you want. I click on this printer, click on that printer. Here we find many options. Click on manage, click on manage. And here we find manage options. Here we find printer properties. Click on the printer properties. Here we find our printer properties and many options, sharing, port, advanced. Go to the device settings. Go to the device settings plus, I minimize it. I go to the device settings, click on the device settings, and if you find this option, finishing settings and two-side printing or duplex printing on this options list at any point, disable it or uncheck it. Click on apply. Now it is disabled. Next option is advanced. Go to the advanced, click on the advanced. In advanced, here we find printing defaults. Here we find printing defaults. Click on the printing defaults. Here we find our all printing default settings. In these settings, here we find it is showing one side printing. If it is showing one side printing, if it's showing two side printing, then go to the here and change it to the one side. It is showing only one side. In your case, it is showing two side, then go to the two side. If it's showing 2 on 2, then change to 1 on 1 and change to the one side printing at this point. And also check any options, any other options available for the two side printing on this list. In my case, it is not showing two side printing. Printing style is also one side. And if it's showing any option with the duplex or the two-sided printing, then change it, paper quality, and go to the quality and go to the advanced settings. And if you find any duplex option or the two-side printing option, then off it and click on the okay. If it's on, then off it. In my case, there is no two-side options on this printer, or it is actually disabled by me. Okay, now click on apply and click on okay. Then check other things in journal, in sharing, any two-side or duplex option, not any option. Then click on OK. Once again, go to the here and click on the printer properties. In a printer properties, not a printer properties, here go to the printing preferences. Click on a printing preferences. In a printing preferences, here we find one side, two side and booklet printing, and check it at here. If any two-side printing is available, then go to the one side or none. Go to the one side or none, or disable two side. Then click on apply, click on OK, close it and restart your machine. After that, your two-side printing or the duplex printing options are disabled on your default printer settings. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simple problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.